Hello, today we are going to talk about how do we create wealth. Wealth means 10 crore rupees. It's easy, it's possible. So how do we able to achieve that? For that, we need to understand one thing very clearly. We need to make money for that. If we make money, then we have a possibility to save and invest. So the first criteria is that if you want to create wealth, let's put it as 10 crore. What is the strategy to make 10 crore rupees, right? So make money is an important thing, and out of this we should be able to save. If you're getting 10 lakh rupees and you are not able to save, no point. If you're getting 1 lakh rupees and if you are able to save 50,000 rupees, brilliant. So once you save, you have an option to invest. And each year, it's important that we should be able to get a appraisal hike, salary hike, or if you are a businessman, you should be able to increase your income. At least, if you are able to add value to your organization, if you are able to contribute to your organization more than you earn, then there is a possibility that you will get 15% hike or minimum 10% hike, and you are adding a lot value and you are not able to get salary hike, which means your skill is good, then you can definitely go out and get a job which you get you more salary. So these 3 points should be there. You should be able to make money, you should be able to save, and you should be able to get a salary increase or an income increase each year. That's the first thing which we need to do when we have a dream to have, let's say, 10 crore rupees of wealth. So for that, let's take in a SIP mode. Let's say that SIP 25,000 rupees each month if you are able to contribute. And if you are able to pick a right mutual fund or a right stock at which you can get you 12% annual growth. So expected growth is a 12%. If you look at market and mutual fund, there are schemes which have given 15%, maybe more than that. We are not taking any of this. Let's take 12% growth we are getting. In future, we can get 12% if you are choosing the right fund and monitoring it pretty well. And if you do that for 25 years, this fund will grow to 4 crore rupees. 4.5 crores you can earn at the end of 25 years. And here you are getting an annual hike of 15% if you are doing pretty good at work. You can increase this 10% each year, which means next year you should be able to invest 27.5, and year after that 10% of 25.5's hike. So you should be able to increase every year your monthly contribution as an SIP. So if you are able to do that for 25 years and you are getting this 12% return, then you will be able to generate 10 crore 10.24 you can generate. So you can generate 10 crore rupees on your account in 25 years. So if you are a person at the age of 25 or 35, you have time for your retirement. And if you keep this discipline of investing 25,000 rupees to create this wealth, you will be able to achieve it. And there is a possibility that you may ask that, I'm not ready to invest 25,000 rupees at present. I can take 10,000 rupees. So even if 10,000 rupees, if it's grow at 12% and 24 for 25 years, this will grow to close to 2 crore rupees, 1.9 crore. And here also, if you can increase 10% each year from next year 11, and after that 10% of 11,000 rupees. So that if goes on doing that, this can create 4.11 crore rupees. So this is a way you can utilize your systematic investment plan in mutual fund or stock and create wealth. If you look at today, 1 crore itself is a big value. But after 25 years, The value of today's 1 crore rupees, we don't know how much is that. But if you can accumulate, let's say 10 crore rupees, that will be pretty decent money. And if you are a person, you will able to increase your income with this discipline you are following it. You can contribute much more also. This is a way you can create wealth. Creating wealth, it's a discipline. It's not just about how much return you get. Return, if you have a discipline, definitely it will come. But for that, you should be able to make money and you should be able to save, and each year you should be able to increase that income. Along with income increase, do not increase your expenses, instead increase your investment. That way you can create a pretty good wealth. With this, I hope this is a motivation for all of you to start thinking about more savings and more investment. If you have any question related to this, you may contact us through email or phone. Thank you. We will see you in the next episode.